So guys, here is the sewing tutorial for the last video that we did. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and on your notification button for you to be the first person to know. So let's dive into the tutorial. So now these are the fabrics that we cut earlier. I just serged all the edge of the fabric to make it neater. So I serged everything with a whipping machine. If you have one, you can do so. That's the cape I was talking about. I added my Emmy gum. I added a stay to it, not Emmy gum. I added stay to it. So that's the skirt part. That's where the dart will be. So I notched it. So now the first thing I will do, I've sewed the darts. So I want to attach the cape first, so that's what I'm doing. I put the right side facing each other. I put it onto each other, so I try to put it on the neck, place it on the neck. So I want to sew it. I will turn just that the edge of the edge of that thing. I'll turn it, but I won't turn the neckline. So that is what I wanted to do. Right side facing each other. So I'll sew down the edge and the V area. So this is it. So I've turned it. So look at it. So that neckline, I won't turn it. I'll just sew it on the neckline side. So I'll just use bias to turn it. Just look at the way I'm doing it. So I'm just trying to put my pin to pin it down, so in case if I want to sew the bias to turn it inside. So now this is the second, the other side of the front. So I did the same thing with the other side too. So I'm just going to join that front. It has a pleat at it has a cut at the middle. So I'm just going to sew it all through. Then the back also, I'm just going to attach it to it. So now this is the front. I've sewed it all through. This is the back. I've not even attached the back to, so I'm just going to attach the shoulder together, place it like so. I'll just watch the way I'm doing. I'm just going to sew it all through. Then the other side back, so I'm just going to sew it all through for you guys to see. So now I've done that. So this is what we have. That's the back side that I've put my dart. So I'm just going to, I said earlier, I'm going to tape the neck. I use bias. Please, you can use another. For you to just tape the neck, you can use another thing, but I use bias to tape the neck. So this is the sleeve. This is where the design is. That design at the sleeve. So the main sleeve, I get the middle part. I notched the middle part. So now the circle. This is, the circle is a pleating, is a kissing pleating circle, or is a kissing pleating. So that is what I'm going to do here. Just watch me the way I'm trying to do my kissing pleating. If you watch the design very well, you see what I'm trying to do. As you can see the design here. So just watch me the way I first of all get the middle of the circle, so then I start kissing it to each other. So just watch me the way I'm trying to make sure you are pinning it, or else you'll know. To avoid the story that touched the heart, make sure you are pinning it down so that it won't lose at the end of the day when you are sewing it all together. So I'll just place it on that sleeve. So this is the outcome after pleating it down, after pinning it all through down. So I'm going to attach my sleeve where I notched. I'm going to attach it to it. I'm not going to sew it inside. I'm going to sew it outside. I'll sew it on the sleeve. I'll sew it on the sleeve. Look at what I'm doing. At the tip of that circle there is a serge. That's where the design of the clothes is. So I just place it on it like that. I come down by 2 inches. Yes, you can see that 2 inches. That's where I will sew on that sleeve. I'm not sewing it inside. I'm sewing it outside. You can see the way I place it. So I'm going to sew 2 inches. So now this is the front part. So that's the sleeve. You can see the way it looks like. It's coming out beautiful. I'm trying to remove the paper because my machine is not sewing except paper. So now I've sewed the sleeve. You can see how beautiful it looks like. So now I want to attach my sleeve. That's what I'm trying to do. Make sure you serge your fabric. If you are not putting lining, if you are not putting a facing, so just serge it to make it neat. So I've added my sleeve. That is what you see me doing. I added my sleeve all through, both the front and the left and the right. So now I'll just sew all through, measure the measurement of that person, get the measurement, then I'll sew all through. I'll add sew the sleeve and the main body of the person. That is what I'm going to do now. So yep, we are here. I've done that. So now going to the down part, that's the skirt part. So the first thing to do, I'm going to first of all add the darts. So here it is, I've added my darts, both the front and the back. So I'm just going to place the back on the front and sew, get the measurement of that person and sew it all through. If you are sewing, make sure you are trying to iron every minute. So I've added the skirt part. So now I want to join the down part to the upper part. So I'm just going to get the middle of it, then I'll join it together. So here it is, I've joined it together. That's the sleeve. Look at how it's coming out. It's very beautiful. Look at the inside. That's because I said the inside. So this is how it looks like. Just add your button. So that's the sleeve. So please subscribe to my channel and I'll put on your notification button. Thank you so much.